It's a new day, a new vlog. Welcome back to my channel, Malan JR Vlog. I know it's cringy, little bit, I know, but I'm trying something new. So do type in the comment section if it's bad or good, and do drop a like and do subscribe. So this ride was like a week ago. After editing the video, I found out that I forgot to put intro. So in my mind was like, let's put something new. So I tried this new thing and let my past self take over.
Good morning, one and all. Sorry, I think the voice came breezy. So okay, good morning, one and all. Welcome back to another vlog. Sorry for no uploads and everything, but I will explain why I have not been uploading for past a month or so. I hope not more. Today the plan is that I'm not going with anyone I know except for Nikhil. New riders I'm going with. Vedant is the person who I know the most after Nikhil. So Vedant's friends are coming for the ride. We're in total 7 people, and in the 7 people only 3 people I know: Nikhil, Vedant and me. Now as you can see, the fuel is on 10. That's always my thing. Like before a ride I never feel, I don't know, I tried to lose that habit, but nah, that will be stuck to me forever. So I'm going to which petrol pump I'm going now to? Koregam petrol pump. See if it's open there. If it's open, well and good. If it's not, I have to see for some other petrol pump which is close by, because this bike needs juice and it's been a long time I've taken my bike out. Normal डालना. Cool. भैया Google Pay है ना? Okay, so I can show you anything. Okay, good morning. We are at Shell petrol pump. Nikhil, say hi. Okay, so we are Shell petrol pump. I think Vedant and group have come. I think he's there. Yo, somewhere there, I think so. So now we'll be meeting because he's putting petrol in. I don't meet him. And we are heading out to Lonavla. Okay, so Vedant and gang has come there. I don't think you can see them, but if you can see them, I'll point out like who all are there. I still don't know who are there. Let's go. So that's Vedant. Hope you can see him. That's Vedant. Nikhil and some other more guys which I don't know. They're gonna proper synchronize way, like one after the other. Why are there so many people today? I don't know what is up today. He's going slow. You move fast now. Or you move aside. Let a person pass by. What's wrong with you? That was a hard hit.
My name is Jeff.
Did I break my rims? Did you see that the bump? I went over it. Sorry. Because I went over it completely. Yeah, cool. Where are they? They went ahead of you or on your head? They're behind you, know? You just started riding, yeah? You just started riding? You? Okay, okay. Marlon. Marlon. Yeah. What? Sai. Okay, sorry. Okay. Let's go. We'll head out. I hope this one super wide. It's got body. Welcome to Lonavla. We'll wait for some time. We'll head then. Only one for now. You have a GoPro? You have a GoPro? Yeah, I'll mount it. Oh, the Hero 8? 5. Why is it red? No idea, bro. There's memory card in that? Yeah. Oh, by the way, Marlon. Sure. Hello, rider. It's okay, chill. I anyway going to stop anyway.
What happened?
Which one? The green jacket?
Yeah. Got a new bike, guys, riding slowly.
Yeah, no, chill. We'll wait.
All good, bro.
It's not on. Put it on later.
How much you recorded, Abhi? How much you recorded?
The entire trip.
Okay.
This one he just gave me now. Shivam just gave me.
Vlogger or something, huh?
Yeah, a small YouTuber.
Next motor vlogger is there. No update, what the hell?
What?
No weekly upload, what the hell?
Bro, I didn't go out. Came out today.
I'm joking.
Marlon. Sanjay. Sanket. Okay. It's better to buy an external mic, I recommend. Because this mic, every time you have to remove and put, is the problem.
Which one is yours?
This is the 8.
Even I want to buy one. मैं कब से बोल रहा मेरे मम्मी को.
Khareed na.
हाँ ना bro.
The 9 is come, but it's 50.
नहीं, I won't buy a new one. 9 stuff.
Buy the 7.
I'll go for 7 or
7 is the best.
7 is, I guess, pretty similar to 8. No, not much different.
Yeah, hyper smooth too, but it's not so much difference. What happened?
The nut.
It fell?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, thank you. Or lose my GoPro on the halfway.
What is the odometer on your bike?
It's saying about 13,000. Almost 14.
2 years हो गया ना bike को. Minus 10,000.
How many years?
2 years.
You bought it before me, no?
I got it September 18.
I got it before me. November 6th. Can't see shit. Easy. The place is too foggy. I will increase the volume. You can see this. It's terrifying.
I've never seen this place so foggy. Yeah?
Never.
Damn. Couldn't see also.
I heard okay, guys started climbing the hill, immediately stopped after I was like, I can't see anything. I'm not going on my own. Yep, so now we just reached Lonavla, Tiger's Point. If the quality has changed, is because from my phone. You want some space? Go ahead, bro. What space do you want? Okay. So quality has changed from Oneplus to GoPro, so it'll be much better. So much better, or whatever the quality you feel. It's nice. We'll take some time. Now we're going to eat something. We just reached, so we'll have some food and everything. And I'll give you some cinematic shots now. Go.
Sasti Masti. Am I gonna be in the video?
Yep.
Look at the camera, that's all you gotta do.
Yes, Siddharaj, you're in the vlog. And Nikhil, good advice of not looking at the camera. And don't worry about my rims, they're not bent or broken. Thanks Shivam for your GoPro Hero 5, but I cannot use any of clips because there's a lot of wind noise, so I just cut it off. Let's end the video by saying, dream big and do work for it. Peace.